Run rsync with root permission on remote machine. I want to sync a folder from my machine with a folder on a remote machine. The remote folder can only be manipulated by root. I have an account on the remote machine which can use sudo. How can I run rsync such that it has root permissions on the remote machine? I've tried the following. But, after entering my password, I get the following error.
This is the solution I came up with. Bit of a mission.
The solution on this blog worked really well for me, this URL. Basically, the first line allows for interactive password entry, without showing the password on the screen. Works great for me on Ubuntu 9.04.
Try this solution. In your sudoers file, /etc/sudoers, set up your user like this. The nopast column /usr/bin/rsync tells sudo that when your user runs /usr/bin/rsync or just rsync, that no password is needed. Then your original rsync path equals sudo rsync should work.
I'm amazed by the complexity of the existing answers. It's far easier to configure the remote host so that you can connect as root from specific clients without using a password. And although it may sound scary, it is quite secure. On the remote host, make sure that etc. sshd_config has this line, permitro oplogin without password. In many distributions it's there by default. This allows root to get an SSH shell using any authentication method except the insecure password prompt. If you don't already know how, follow any of the many tutorials on how to obtain passwordless login via SSH. Use rsync as you would normally do and without any password prompts. Just don't forget that after step 2, and for as long as you don't remove the line that was added in a root.ssh authorized_keys, your client can connect as root to the remote host.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.